Hello everyone. Now we will proceed further in the chapter 8. As in the previous video, we discussed till the types of reproduction. Now we will start asexual reproduction and its major types. Asexual reproduction, as we see here, it are of different types like fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation. As these are the diagrams in which all the processes are showing. As we can see here, the fission, that is binary fission occurring in amoeba. And what is fission? It is an asexual reproduction in which a unicellular organism dividing and it is forming two or more new individuals. So fission may be of two types. We can say it may be binary and multiple. From binary fission, two daughter nuclear cells are formed, and in multiple fission, multiple cells are formed. So here we can see the example amoeba and paramecium in case of binary fission, and plasmodium, that is malarial parasite, in case of multiple fission. As we can see here in the diagrams, that there is a formation of cyst and release of cells in a parasite, and these cells are coming out. As we can see here the diagram of the plasmodium, that is going under multiple fission. Now we will come under second process, that is budding. In budding we will discuss the example of hydra and yeast. If we see the diagram here, 1, 2, 3, 4, a bud-like projection is forming on the body of the organism, as we can see here in the figure number 1 diagram. This bud then developing into a new individual. Then in the third step we can see here it is separating from the parent, and in fourth step it is forming an independent individual. Like this we can see also in yeast also ki how bud are developing and they are forming an new individual. If we go through next part, that is regeneration, it is this method in which if organism is cut or broken down, it can develop into a new individual, and here we are discussing three examples, that are hydra, planaria and starfish. If we can see here that if hydra is undergoing amputation and regeneration is going on, and then growth process take, and we can see here two independent hydra are growing. As such we can see here the example of planaria also. Okay, now next process we can see here, that is fragmentation. In this method we can see here the body of simple multiple organism, it is broken into smaller pieces and each fragment is developing into new individuals. As we can see here the diagram, that is fragmentation in Spirogyra. Okay, here it is breaking down into fragments, and these fragments are developing into new individual. Next, if we come through the spore formation, in this method we will discuss about sporangia structure, and it will produce cells that is known as spores. And when these spores come in contact with a moist surface, is developed into new individuals. As we can see here the example, that is Rhizopus, Mucor, Penicillium, etc. So here in the diagram we can see here ki how sporangium is forming, and how spores are coming out, and these are the germinating spore. As we can see here, now the next process is vegetative propagation, and in this new plants are produced from the vegetative parts of the plant like root, stem or leaf. And here are the example, that is from roots we can develop dahlia, sweet potato, and from stem potato, ginger, and from leaf bryophyllum begonia. Okay, as in the diagrams we can see plants may be also produced by vegetative propagation and produce flowers and fruits, and it also helps in the plants propagation which do not produce seeds like rose, jasmine, banana, etc. And We also done it artificially by cutting, layering, grafting, as we can see here in this diagram. So here we completed the asexual methods of reproduction, that is fission into binary and multiple, then budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation, vegetative propagation.